Today, it's all about mayonnaise without eggs. I'll show you 3 different versions. Each one has its own strengths. The first one is the easiest and most practical. It's low in fat, high in protein, and works with different yogurt bases. Perfect for salads, dressings, or adding creaminess to sauces. The second version is all about texture. It's smooth, creamy, and very close to classic mayonnaise. Perfect for fries, sandwiches, or anything where texture matters. The third version is the closest to the original. Higher in fat, very rich, and almost indistinguishable from traditional mayo. It's also a great option if you want to avoid soy. And at the end, I'll also show you a quick and easy remoulade. Perfect for burgers, fries, or plant-based fish alternatives. Let's start with the first version.